Okay, we're going to try and play Texel. We'll try it at level 3. Texel can be a little hard to beat, even at level 2. We'll see how I do here.
D6. E5. Knight F6.
Block my bishop in right here.
C5. H6.
I guess the queen's going to take that.
Queen takes F6. Bishop E6.
And we'll trade with it. See if I can mess up that pawn structure.
Queen D8.
Oh, interesting. It's castle.
Bishop E7.
And you're gone.
King takes
Oh,
E7.
interesting. That means the king's not going to take, not going to castle. Interesting. Keeping a pawn from coming any further.
Knight C6.
I don't know about that move.
G5.
Obviously it was to do this.
Bishop takes F5.
Puts me a little bit ahead.
B6.
Queen's on the move again. Let's go out, challenge it.
Knight D4. Rook H B8.
And it let me keep the queen. Or did it? Or did it? I think it did.
King E8. Knight C2.
I'll make him move it again.
Knight B4. G4. A6.
Start to cling up on it.
King D7. King C7. Knight C6. Rook F8. E4.
Interesting. It would do that. Doesn't look like a good move.
Knight E5. Knight takes G4. Rook A B8.
I'll get on that open file.
B5. King B6.
King is running.
King A4.
Take him while I can.
Rook A D8.
Gone.
King B3.
Gone.
King C2. B takes C4.
Check.
King B1.
That's check. It's not checkmate yet.
King takes B2. King takes A3. Checkmate. White wins.
All right. That was pretty easy.